We have some big news this evening. It looks like this Target boycott might be working. I received this message just now from an anonymous source saying, quote, "Hey, I work at Target and the boycott from day one has already worked. I don't know if you'll ever use this information, but my location has lost about $56,000. And if you've noticed, Targets have been pushing deals and pushing their card to try to make back that money. Us workers get in trouble if we don't push." Now, I'm keeping the person who sent that to me anonymous for a number of reasons, namely because they work at Target and I don't want to jeopardize their job in any way.
Hey, listen, I wanted to say congratulations to everyone. Our initiative to cancel those companies who got rid of DEI, those publicly traded companies, Target, Walmart, Amazon, and Home Depot, each and every one of them, their stock prices are down.
So Target apologized. And now they're starting their DEI again. And this is what the fuck I mean! My black people, stand up, bitch. Stand up. Because they're apologizing.
So I guess by us not supporting them, guys, I guess it was really starting to hurt their pockets. And they realized that they needed us more than we really needed them. Remember, you guys, they were the ones who came out and said that they were ending their DEI program when no one even asked them. You know, they just came out, wanted to share that information. I guess they were so excited and proud that they would no longer have to abide by that. But since as of today, they have changed their mind.
For the first time out, we really showed what can happen if we all pull together and just talk with our money. So great job. Let's start getting ready for the next one.
Well. Look who suddenly got a case of the my bads. Target, the retail giant that had the black community feeling seen and valued just a few years ago, is now singing a whole different tune, and not the kind you can dance to in the aisle while pretending you're only there for toothpaste. After backpedaling on its diversity promises and getting hit with a boycott that sent its stock tumbling, Target is out here with its corporate hat in hand, begging for forgiveness.
I, frankly, do not care whether or not Target decides to bring DEI back because no one told them to divest from DEI. No one made them do that. They didn't even have to make that announcement, but they saw fit to say the quiet part out loud and announce that they didn't care about black people, that they didn't care about DEI, that they didn't care about equity and inclusion. And it, to me, if y'all want to go back and shop at Target, that is no different than going back to your abusive partner who called you fat, who gaslit you and talked mess about your family. Sure, that person can apologize, but they've shown you who they are and they've shown you what they think about you. So I have no intention of going back to Target.
Let's be real. Target fumbled the bag, big time. The same company that, in the wake of 2020's racial reckoning, promised to invest billions into black businesses and DEI initiatives, decided, never mind. And what happened? The black community, tired of being courted only to be ghosted, responded the way any self-respecting consumer base would. They took their money elsewhere. And is Target feeling it? Billions, yes, billions, have evaporated from its market value since the boycott began.
See, that's what happens when you make us the target. We just make y'all the bullseye.
When you affect the bottom line, when you hit them where they live, when you speak the only language that capitalism cares about, it causes people to stand up and take note. This is why we have to spend our dollars accordingly. We have to vote with our dollars. We need to be supporting black business, supporting small business.
In fact, Target shareholders are so pissed, the Florida Attorney General has filed a lawsuit against Target for security and exchange violations. Target failed to notify its shareholders of a known risk. In other words, Target knew that if they got rid of DEI and pride initiatives, this would be the backlash, which of course would drive their shares down. So, had they let the shareholders know, they could have sold their shares and not take a hit. Instead, they took a huge hit. So do me a favor, share this video and let everyone know that our initiative is working and we need to keep it going. All right? I love it.
You know how much I love my Target? And I said, fuck around and find out I'm not buying nothing because of my peoples? If y'all say we boycotting, bitch, we boycotting. Target apologize. Can we go back or we still on this? Let me know.
It turns out that the very community it thought it could brush aside is the same one that had been making those cash registers sing. Suddenly, those aisle-end Black-owned product displays weren't just a nice PR move. They were part of an economic ecosystem that mattered. Now, in true corporate fashion, Target is trying to walk it all back. They're not just sorry, their corporate earnings report. Sorry. That's a different level of regret. But the question is, does an apology really cut it? Because the boycott wasn't just about spending power. It was about respect. At this point, Black consumers aren't just side-eyeing Target. They're standing with arms crossed, waiting for more than just a carefully worded press release. The damage is done, and empty promises won't fix it. If Target really wants forgiveness, they might have to do more than beg. They'll have to show receipts, and not just the kind you get at checkout.
I recently went to Target, and they have massively screwed up. Now, before you come for me, I didn't buy anything at Target since they removed the DEI initiative program. However, I did have something I needed to return that I bought at the end of last year for Christmas that ended up being a duplicate for the person receiving it. And I haven't returned it because, well, surgery, cancer, life. So I went last week, like in the middle of the week, like in the middle of the day. And when I pulled into the parking lot, I noticed there was like no cars there, which is almost unheard of at this particular Target that I go to. I returned my item, and I decided to walk around. No, I didn't buy anything. But what I did notice is almost no customers at all. Zero. But my Target has always looked like a bomb has gone off in it, and I don't know if other people have experienced this, where you walk in and it just looks like total trash. Shit everywhere, merchandise all over the floor, things are in different areas than they should be, you can't find anything, you're tripping over shit in aisles, like bad. And that's been pretty consistent for the last 3 years at my Target. I'm walking around now, this Target is so goddamn organized, it is clean, it looks good, it looks like it did the day it opened over 20 years ago. I've never seen it like this. So because there's no customer shopping, they have to have the workers do something, so I'm assuming it's organized, clean, get it looking presentable, the way it pretty much always should be, but it hasn't been. So I guess this is proof to me that removing that DEI has totally hurt them, and they're just trying anything to like keep their workers busy because they're not getting customers. Oh well, Target, you FAFO'd.
So you know back in the day you used to take a newspaper with you in the shitter? I decided to take my phone. And all I keep saying is go to Target's official page and you'll be surprised. So I said, screw it, let me go check it out. So I got on over there to that Target's official page and I started looking at some of those videos. But when I tell you, when I went into the comments section, I couldn't believe it. The way that Target must feel right now. Some of them comments over there so damn funny, I almost dropped my phone twice.
Welcome back. So Target apologized to Black people for forgiveness. And I believe that this is the true definition of power in unity. When Black people put themselves together to achieve a certain goal, no one group of people can stand their power. The true test of Black people's power is in their collective unity. So Target, after ignoring the DEI policy, thought that Black people would not be able to find out. So the diversity, equity, inclusion policy was ignored by Target, and Black people were able to find out. This is the find out season. Black people are very vigilant people in the sense that they were able to find out when Target ignored or rolled back the DEI policy. Black people boycotted Target, and this hit heavily the wallet of Target. When the finances of Target was heavily hit, they decided to apologize to Black people and roll back the DEI policy. But come to think of this, do you think that this apology is really genuine? Do you think that they are rolling back the policy because they are just interested in the dollars of Black people? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and your family on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, and other social media platforms. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just click the subscribe button down there. Click on the subscribe button. Click as well on the notification bell. And I'd like to see you again in my next video.